Join us today at the San Pedro House. This is a divine life. Hey Hayden, where are you taking us today?
To the San Pedro River, over to the Hummingbird Sanctuary.
Hummingbird Sanctuary. That sounds like fun. Hey everybody, we're at the San Pedro House, and as you can see, dogs are allowed as long as they're on a leash. We're gonna have a fun trip. So we're at the San Pedro House. It's a national conservation area, and it's pretty cool. There's trails here, and I think once a year when the hummingbirds come in, they do tours, and we came down here one year and watched them actually feed the hummingbirds, and they didn't they mark them or something?
Banded them.
Banded some of them, and it was really neat to watch.
They let the kids help hold them and band them, and
yeah, it was really interesting to come down. This was a few years ago we came. It's the first time we've been down here since then though, and pretty cool. We're going to take a little hike and show you around. Just to let everybody know, it's at least 1,200 degrees here.
at least that's what it feels like.
It feels like it. And I just found out by reading this that there's beavers here, which is pretty interesting. I heard a story about a beaver the other day. This is the visitor center and the gift shop, which is usually open, but because of the coronavirus, of course, they're closed right now. But it's a really neat place to visit. They have some really neat items from the area, and so definitely if you come down and check this place out, check out the gift shop, and I think everything you buy there goes to help and support this area. So
This way's to the reflecting pond. And there's the reflecting pond.
There's some big fish in that pond. I just saw one jump. They're a koi. And there's something over here in the woods that's walking around. It's kind of freaking me out. I don't know what it is.
Probably birds.
It might be just birds. Or a bear. Or a mountain lion.
It's a bird.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Bobcat. Miller Backcountry Camp, 4 miles. Hereford Bridge Trailhead, 8 miles. Sorry, people, we're not walking that far.
There's no way in this area. We're going to be walking that.
Love how wooded the San Pedro River is. It's illegal to dig or remove anything.
Absolutely, I forgot my shovel too.
This is a walk in the desert, everybody. Literally.
Hot. Now, the San Pedro House where we are is on the outskirts of Sierra Vista, correct?
Correct.
And I'll put the coordinates up at the end of the video for everybody. I think I would recommend doing this more during the winter months when it's a little cooler. Definitely wouldn't go much past May.
No. And definitely go during a breezy day.
I feel like I should wear shorts now.
Me too. But I didn't want everybody to see my legs.
I didn't want my legs all scratched up from the brush. Holy shoot. I need water. Whew. That was draped. That was frozen.
During the coronavirus, they did ask to please use social distancing, to please pick up after yourselves, and they're open for hikes. They're just not doing the guided tours or any of the events right now.
These are snake trails, right?
Or a bike trail.
Well, there's bike trails, but there's...
Oh, those are a snake trail.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I don't want to go any further that way.
So we're going to go back, and we'll go back the other way. Hopefully the people that were walking by us earlier has gone a little farther up.
And everybody should know by now, I do not like heat. You do.
I love the heat. I'd rather be out in the heat than to be cold. I do not like to be cold, everybody.
And I would rather be cold than be hot.
So,
I grew up in Michigan. You grew up where? Here?
Arizona. And Arkansas. So it's hot and muggy or hot and dry. So
thank you everybody for joining us today. Going to the San Pedro House. It's a lot of fun. It's a really neat place to go and hike around. It was a hot day.
it was a very hot day.
It was so hot. So what we did is we started going towards the San Pedro River and realized it was going to be way too far. We have a dog here trying to get comfortable on us.
Wanting in her spot.
But anyways, we decided it was way too far on that trail. So we turned around and went back. We got in the car, went across the street
to where we thought we could get to water, which we probably should have stayed on the opposite side of the street, and we just went to the stream.
So, but yeah, we went through this awful hike that I didn't even share the video with because it was hideous, through this tall grass to go nowhere and back. To go to the dry river bed, because this is Arizona, and this time of year we knew that it was going to be dry. We just didn't give it a thought. But but it was a fun day, and it's a fun place to visit. And how about we send it over to Minerva now?
And let her give her tips and tricks.
Minerva.
Hi everybody, thank you for joining the boys today on their hike out at the San Pedro House. I know they had a lot of fun. Just so you know, I'm going to bring you some tips and tricks from Minerva. Tip number 1 is please take plenty of water, because it is hot. You're going to want to have plenty of water. And even in the cool season, you'll still want to have some water. Take a picnic. It's a lot of fun just to go out. They do have picnic tables there. They do have a pavilion you can sit under and eat a picnic. You can also take hikes. They do have guided hikes. So tip number 2 is definitely go on their website, check out their guided hikes, and if you need to book anything, book it in advance. Tip number 3, definitely take brochures that they offer, because there's a lot of different hiking trails that you can go on that goes down to the San Pedro River. So definitely, if you're there, you're going to want to check out the San Pedro River if it's running. Tip number 4, go into the gift shop. They do have a lot of cool looking little items there. So definitely go into the gift shop, buy something, help. It all goes toward the San Pedro House and to keep it up. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and until next time, this was Tips and Tricks with Minerva.
Thank you, Minerva. Awesome as always. So, Daisy, what you licking there? Quit your licking. It's okay. So, it was a great day, fun day. Definitely, if you're in the area, come down and check out San Pedro House.
Check it out.
It's really interesting, and they can definitely use the support.
Right now, everything is canceled. All their nature hikes and all that are canceled due to the coronavirus. Don't know when those are going to open back up, so keep an eye on their website.
So anyways, it was a fun day, a lot of fun. If you are around that area, and I'll leave the coordinates to it at the end of the video, definitely check it out. It's worth it. And until next week, have a divine life. Thank you everybody again for watching our videos. We really appreciate it. We love making these videos. We plan on doing it forever. We would sure appreciate it if you would
Subscribe.
push the subscribe button and also hit the bell next to it, as that'll remind you that we are on every Sunday at 6 p.m. Mountain Time. And also, if you like our video,
Hit the thumbs up.
hit the thumbs up, the like button. Again, thank you so much for watching our videos. And until we see you again, have a divine life.